You could play one hole of golf with Jack Nicklaus. What would you pay for that? I probably would have paid at least 10,000, right? At least 10,000 to play one hole of golf with a Tiger Woods or a Jack Nicklaus, right? And you know what? It would cost more than that. Do you know how it works in pro-ams in golf? No, but to play in pro-am, you have to make a charity contribution. Who gets to play with it? It's entirely based on how much you contribute. So if you want, if you gave 500,000 to the charity of the week, there's a pretty good chance you're going to play really well. If you didn't get much, you're going to play with John Future. Who's a good golfer, but he's not the guy you've ever heard of. Wonderful being here. I had dinner with him one night last year. Yeah. I had dinner with him. It's a real nice product too. He most part wrote. Yeah. He's the authority. That was actually he was playing against a great player. You need one. They need two. You need the full cluster. So that way, we've been playing like that. There's lots of this level, it doesn't matter. But same thing when you're head and back, you get clusters along. Whereas if you combine it with that, there's also around the play. The real cat and mouse game. Understanding the tactics is slightly easier. But the shots are harder to execute. Here, strategic part of the game is way less obvious, but easier to manage. Oh, this is nice. Well, you went late. Half an hour. Oh, no, he may want to go right. So he still has one. So if you miss it, he's stuck on so he's never going to show. The fact that he has to finish his turn before it's a solo. There's going to be 2 plus 2 balls on the spot. Of course, critical. And so 2 aspects of defense at the same time. Well, that's why they have to decide what it's going to know. You can play it in a way that doesn't. You may not risk it. Not up for nothing. You may not risk it. You can play the 5-3 rails, it's a little shot. But aggressive shot, right? You didn't say what you They're both on that. Just Captain Bucket would be okay because he's on one up. The therapy started in 99. I was still playing I could have played it when it first did. My driver's license disagreed, so does my They tastefully dispute. So I said when I came in and they were asking for ID, I showed them my Medicare. They said absolutely. That's pretty funny. 21 and whatever. When I was 53, I got 315. The comment to the bartender is you and I are. On the other hand, you can always say, like that. Yeah, you still rather play more than nice. That's true. Tough draw. That's true. Shaking. Yeah, that's true.